Hey guys, in this part we talk about while loop in Python. With the while loop we can execute a set of statements as long as the condition is true. So print I as long as I is less than 6. So I equal to 1 and use the while loop. I is less than 6 and print I and increment the I. Save and remember to increment I, or else the loop will continue forever. So run 1 2 3 4 and 5 and the break statement. With the break statement we can stop the loop even if the while condition is true. So if I equal to 3, break the loop, save and run 1 2 3 and I equal to 3 and break the loop. And the continuous statement. With the continuous statement we can stop the current iteration and continue with the next. So continue to the next iteration if I is 3. So cut this and paste here, and if I equal to 3, continue the loop. Continue the loop and save and run. 2 and we don't have 3 4 5 and 6, and change the I to 0, save and run again. 1 2 we don't have 3 4 5 and 6. And the else statement. With the else statement we can run a block of code once the condition no longer is true. So print a message once the condition is false. Remove comment this and cut, paste here, I is 1 and use the else print I is no longer less than 6. Save and run. 1 2 3 4 and 5 and I is no longer less than 6.